Hi dear students, we shall discuss the next concept, that is volume of combination of solids. Before that, we already studied these formulae. So those are volumes. Volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H, LBH, cubic units. Since it is a volume, the unit for it is cubic units. Generally you can write cubic units. So that is volume of cuboid is LBH, where L is length and breadth and this is height. Next one, volume of cube, that is AQ. So where A is a edge of a cube. Okay, you can take it as X also, X cube, where X is edge of cube. Cubic units, since it is a volume, unit is cubic units. Then volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Okay, so where r is radius of cylinder, h is the height of cylinder, pi r square h cubic units. Then volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is radius of cone, h is height of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h, volume of cone it is. Next, volume of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of hemisphere. So that is cubic units. The next one is volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so these are the formula, you have to remember this. Okay, now we shall start the exercise only directly. By solving the exercise problems, you understood what is the difference between surface areas and this volume. Okay, so while explaining this exercise, I will explain the surface area also. You will understand what is the difference between them. Okay, now the exercise 13.2, the first question. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Radii of cone and radii of hemisphere are equal to 1 centimeter. Both are 1 centimeter. And this cone is standing on a hemisphere. Cone is standing on hemisphere. And height of cone is equal to its radius. So height of cone is equal to its radius. It means what? Height is also 1 centimeter because radius is 1 centimeter they given. So height is also how much? 1 centimeter. Understood it. Find the volume of solid in terms of phi. So we have to find the volume of solid. First let us form the solid. So initially there was a hemisphere. So let us take this as a hemisphere. Okay. So on this hemisphere there is a cone. So radius of this hemisphere and the cone must be same. So here I will draw the cone in this way. Okay, this is the cone. Let us take this as the center, and this will be water height, and this will be radius. Now since given that radius of the cylinder as radius of the sphere hemisphere as well as radius of cone is 1 centimeter, I will take generally I will take let radius r is equal to, it is 1 centimeter. Okay, now since it is 1 centimeter, but here they said that height of cone is equal to its radius. So therefore height of cone, they said that height of cone is equal to its radius. So radius is already, it is 1 centimeter, h is also 1 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of this solid, So initially if hemisphere is there, so then after we are going to put another solid, that is cone. So we have to find the volume of this solid. Leave the volume. Just you can think of surface area of this solid. How we can find it? Surface area of this solid. That is how CSA of hemisphere, because this is curved surface is there, plus CSA of cone only, CSA of cone. That's enough. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone will give us a surface area of solid. But here they ask you to find the volume. So volume is nothing but so that is volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. That gives us a volume of solid. Okay. So volume of solid is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Now let us write the formula. Volume of a sphere, already we know that is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now let us take common. So here you can take common as 1 by 3 pi and r. We can take common. So remaining is what? 2r square plus 1 by 3 pi 1r remain rh. Okay. Now we can take common here as r square. Okay. So if r square is taken, so then r will be remain here. If r square taken, r removed here. Okay. 2r plus h. So that is inside. Now let us substitute the values. That is equals to 1 by 3 pi. So we should not put the value of pi because they ask you to find in terms of pi. So means the final answer. So there must be pi. Okay. R is already 1. So that is 1 square inside. 2r. 2 into r value is 1 plus h value is 1. So this is 1 by 3 pi. Inside 2 plus 1 it is 3. So 3 get cancelled. Answer is pi. Pi centimeter cube, because in radius and height they given it is centimeter. So this will be centimeter cube. This is what? Volume of solid. So that is pi centimeter cube. So therefore volume of solid, conclusion I must write, pi centimeter cube. Pi centimeter cube. Let us solve the second question. The question is, Raquel, an engineering student, Raquel was an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. So he was asked to make one model. That model, the shape of that model, there is a cylinder. So this as, I will take this as cylinder. So this is cylinder. For this cylinder, he has to attach two cones on either ends. On both the ends, he has to attach a cone. So let us attach the cone here. Okay, this is the cone and this is another cone. Okay, this is another cone. He has to attach. Okay. Next you see, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. So this is one model. So diameter of this is how much? 3 centimeter. Means from here to here how much it is? 3 centimeter. This I will take 3 centimeter. Then, and its length is 12 centimeter. So length of this model is how much? 12 centimeter. This is how much? 12 centimeter. The total length of the model it is. Now next, if each cone has height of 2 centimeter, these are the two cones. These two cones have height of 2 centimeter. So let us take this as 2 centimeter and this is also 2 centimeter. So this is also 2 centimeter. Each cone has height of 2 centimeter. Then find the volume of air contained in the model that Raquel made. So this is a model made by Raquel. So what is the volume of air contained in this model? We are going to find. Means what? We have to find the volume of this model. Okay. Air contained in this means what? It is the volume of the model we have to find. So if you want to find the volume of this model, how we can find? Volume of cylinder plus 2 into, there are two cylinders, there are two cones of same height. So here height is same and radius is also same. So you can take it as volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of cone. Okay, that is nothing but volume of the model. So let us write the given conditions first, given data. So what they given? Height of cone is given. Height of cone, I will take dash h1 I will take, because here the height of cylinder will come, here the height of cone, there are two heights. So but the height must be different because the here is 2, here will be what? 8. Remove this. Total height is 12 centimeter. 2 plus 2, 4 you remove. So remaining will be what? 8 centimeter will be the height of cylinder. So here 8, here 2. So both are different. So that I will take is a H1 and H2. These must be also different. H1 is equal to how much? 2 centimeter. And now second one, height of cylinder. So height of cylinder will be, that I will take H2. How I can calculate it? 12 minus. The total length of the model is 12 centimeter. Remove these two heights. That will be the height of the cylinder. So that is 12 minus 2 plus 2. So that is equal to what? 8 centimeter. So height of the cylinder H2 is 8 centimeter. Next, so diameter of the cylinder they have given 3 centimeter. So to find the volume of the cylinder, we need R and H. 2 pi r square h. R we need, that is diameter given, we have to find a radius. So radius of cylinder. Radius of cylinder. Here radius of cylinder as well as radius of cone are same. Because this cone, circular base of cone as well as circular base of cylinder both are same. So there must be diameters are same, then automatically radius will be same. So radius of cylinder is equal to radius of cone. So that I will take it as what? R is equal to 3 divided by 2. Diameter is 3 centimeter given. So that is 3 by 2 centimeter. Now we can find the volume of the model. So volume of model is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 into, there are 2 cones, 2 cones of same radius and same height. That's why I take it as 2 into volume of cone. Now we shall write the formula. Let us write it. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Here h means height of cylinder I have taken here is h2. That is pi r square h2 plus 2 into volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So height of cone here I have taken as h1. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h1. Okay. Now let us take common in these two. Pi r square common. Pi r square taken outside. h2 plus 2 divided by 3 into pi r square taken, h1 remain. Okay. Now substitute the values. Pi value is 22 divided by 7. R square, that is 3 divided by 2 square. Inside h2 is how much? 8 plus 2 divided by 3 into h1. So h1 value is how much? 2. Now that is equals to, so how much it is? 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7 into 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 8 plus 2 twos are 4, 4 divided by 3. So this is equal to 2 twos are 2 11s are, okay, 11 9s are 99, 7 twos are 14. Here 8 is a 24 plus 4, that is 28 divided by 3. 14 ones are 14 twos are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 threes are. So remaining is what? 33 into 2. 33 into 2 is 66. Okay. So unit is centimeter cube. Therefore, you can write conclusion. Therefore, volume of model is equal to how much? 66 centimeter cube. Okay. So 66 centimeter cube.